This is a severe thunderstorm warning message. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Buffalo County, southwestern Greeley County, northwestern Hall County, Howard County, Sherman County, southeastern Valley County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Loop City to Rockville to 7 miles north of Gibbon and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Loop City, Rockville, Sherman Reservoir Dam, Ashton, Olus, Farwell, Carroll, North Loop, Coatesfield, Scotia, Elba, Dennebrog, St. Paul, Greeley, Waldeck, Cushing, and St. Libory. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Buffalo, Greeley, Hull, Howard, Sherman, and Valley.